Here is another sweet trade we got in. This is a Forest River Crusader 2017 27RK. It's a rear kitchen. And what's cool, this is only about 8,600 pounds dry, so easily towable. Just kind of do a quick walk around of it for you. Outside there's your awning, nice big awning on this with marine grade speakers outside. Down here under your passage, you got a big pass-through storage on this. You can have TV hookups, you can set a TV up out here. Here's a plug-in, so you can set a table up out here under your awning. Plug in a blender or something, make some margaritas. This guy has lots of propane, two big 40-pound bottles on both sides. So you get 80 pounds of propane in here, so you won't run out for a while. You do have a place where you can stick a generator or use that as storage under there as well. Super nice floor plan. I'll show you the inside, but I wanted to mention that this is fiberglass construction, aluminum framing, so really a good 3 seasons camper. And you got aluminum wheels on this. You have nitrogen filled tires. This is, let's see, it's a 50 amp circuit. It only has one AC on it, but it's pre-wired for a second AC, so you could add that depending on where you're going to be. If you're staying in Oklahoma or South Texas, definitely hit me up on getting a second AC put on this for at a little bit extra charge, but hey, it's not bad. Showing you that other slide, I'm going to go back around here and show the inside. All right, so here we are inside. I just kind of sit on the couch so you kind of see what your view's like when you're kicked back watching TV in here. So you got a good straight shot to the TV. And what's cool is, just back up and show you this. You've got recliners, dual recliners on this with cup holders, which is nice, and it's that nice leathery look. And then this guy here is a hide-a-bed sofa. So that'll sleep 2 people there. So really nice. They put the mirror in to kind of make it look and feel bigger in here. You got storage above that sleeper sofa all the way across. Nice glass look there. And you do have a little bit of storage above the reclining sofa too. Really cool. And I'll show you the floors in here. They're that nice wood laminate flooring. Makes it nice, feel nice and homey. I like it. You have freestanding dinette, which is cool, so you don't have the booth. I like the freestanding dinette better just because you can use those chairs anywhere, number one. Number two, you can spread out a little more on the table. And then your entertainment area here, big screen TV already comes with it. You got a DVD player in here and a cool looking sound bar. It is Bluetooth capable, so you can sync your phone up to it, jam some tunes out while you're camping. Got some storage below there, storage there, you even have more storage to the right. And look how deep that is. You can fit all kinds of stuff in there. This is a rear kitchen floor plan, so your kitchen's here in the back. Now what I like about rear kitchens, if you guys are going to cook a lot, inside and outside, you have lots of storage for food and everything. So check this out. Bam, big pantry. You can fit all kinds of beef jerky and Cheetos in that thing. So cool. Above there, more storage. Again, more food. Cereal would fit up there nice. More storage above that, a little cubby hole maybe for a mixer or some appliances. And then you've got, which side does it open from? A nice good refrigerator on here. This is a Norcold made in the US of A, and it will also run off your propane. So if you're going down the road, you can keep your food cold. You even got a little storage drawer below there, maybe for pots and pans. You got one below your oven. That's a nice deep drawer for pans would fit in there nicely. So coming back up to your oven, you have a nice 3-burner stove on this, which is cool. Rocks back, makes a little real cool backsplash there. Got your oven, bake or broil. And then that'll close again, so if you need more prep space or something, plus it covers up the dirty stove. Vent-A-Hood, microwave. Got a 1,000-watt microwave in here. You can get the popcorn pop for movie night. Storage there. Look at all this cabinet storage you get in this thing. So what's cool, dishes fit in there. It's got the lip, keep things from rolling off, but these cabinets do lock up nice and tight so things don't fall out when you're going down the road. And you got all these big drawers here too for silverware. Maybe you pick up a few dividers in our store. And look at all the counter space you got. You got a plug-in back there to plug in your coffee maker. You've got your sink here with the cutting board cover so you can use it for prep, but then also pull it off. There's your double bowl sink. High-rise faucet, so it makes it easy to wash dishes. And you can throw that cover back over, cover up the dirty sink, lol. And so check that out. You got a spot under there for cleaners. So super nice kitchen. I love that kitchen. So that's the living room, kitchen area, entertainment area. Your AC's up there. You can see it's nice and clean. I don't have this plugged in, but there is LED lights in here. And what's nice about LED lights is they don't give off any heat whatsoever. And then they also more efficiently and they don't burn out. So you don't have to worry about that. Somebody who really get this and make it their own. I'll have the sale price listed below in the video. I forget what it is, but I know it's a super good deal for a fifth wheel. So let me go up in the bathroom area here, show you the bathroom. You've got a stand-up shower, nice big shower. Somebody real tall could fit in there. They can put a little towel bar handle over there. You got your toilet, pretty standard foot flush toilet. You've got medicine cabinet. You've got linen space in here, so you can put towels and whatnot in here. There's your sink. They got plugins in here, so if you need to get ready for a night out on the town and you're not camping, you've got that. Then you also have your tank levels there, so you can keep track of how full your tanks are. And look at that, you got more storage below there for anything you may need to put in there. And then you got a medicine cabinet again. I don't know if I said that, but you can put your toothbrushes, toiletries, things like that in there. And you do have a pocket door on this that'll close off. It's got the evacuation fan there to keep the smells out. And in the bedroom here, nice big bedroom. You've got the step up there, which is cool. You've got room around both sides of the bed. Queen size bed, and that is a full length queen size bed. Padded headboard. You've got end tables built into both sides with plug-ins. So that way if you need to plug in a phone or if somebody sleeps with a CPAP, they can plug that in. You've got overhead storage on this, which is nice. So I call that closed space or anything else you want to put in there. But look over here. You've got a nice big closet. So you can hang up your clothes. So don't get all wrinkled, and dresser space there for the unmentionables. So really cool bedroom, and they do have a place to mount a TV in here. And then if you get a second air conditioner, that's where it would go. So go in the bedroom here, because this is pre-wired, like I said, for a second AC if you want. And then you got ducted AC on the other one all the way throughout. So really super cool fifth wheel by Forest River. They call it the Crusader. So come on down, ask for me. My name's Cedric, or if you have any questions, text me at the number below. Have a blessed day. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I'm Cedric. I just wanted to run over a pretty good perk that you get when you get a camper from us. We call it the Elite Membership Card. And what's nice about it is you get all kinds of different savings with it. So I wanted to run through some of those with you real quick. First of all, we have over 2,100 RV parks nationwide, and with that card it gives you 10% off the nightly rate. We give you this book that's full of coupons. It's also full of all the campgrounds we have nationwide, and so you can plan a really good trip and save all kinds of money that way across the nation. And we're actually adding parks daily to that list. And then also we have a store full of all kinds of goodies for all your camping needs, and it gives you up to 30% off of everything in our store, which is really cool. We also give you free shipping. That discount also applies to anything you order online, and you get free shipping. We have a concierge service. Our parking lot is so big. The reason why that is we actually have electric hookup stations out there. So let's say you're driving along the highway one night, you see one of our stores nearby, you can actually pull into the parking lot, back up your RV, plug it in, turn the AC on, and go to sleep. I call it kind of an overnight service because you can't really camp out there, but we have over 146 locations nationwide with that service and growing. So you can do that, and you save money on a hotel. I think that's a phenomenal perk. Plus, I have a lot of people that'll buy an RV and stay the night in my parking lot, and I'll take them coffee the next morning and go over anything that they had questions over, staying the night in and out in our parking lot. So really, really good service. We also have free RV dumps, so if you need to empty your black tanks, your gray tanks, you got a place to do that for free. And then we also have a free freshwater fill up, so you can fill up the water before you go. We also have that book, like I told you we're going to give you, that's going to give you over $1,400 coupons for a store. We give you a free 22-point annual RV inspection. And then this is one of my favorite ones, the Pilot Flying J Fuel discount. You get up to 9 cents a gallon discount when you use that card at any of the Pilot stores or Flying J stores, which is really neat. And then you also get, I believe it's 15% off a propane fill up as well. I mean, when you buy a camper from us, we're going to fill up your propane bottles right away for you when you take it with you. But when you need to refill, you get 15% off the propane fill up. I think that's really good. Not a lot of places offer that. Another thing we're going to give you, roadside assistance. You get 1 year roadside assistance that covers your RV, but will also cover your personal vehicles. The way I say it, as long as you have that card with you when you're getting service for whatever. I locked my keys in the car one time. It was nice because they got there in like 30 minutes and bailed me out. So that's another really good perk that we give you. And that's basically it. I just wanted to kind of give you a rundown of everything that we cover and give you here at our store. And I appreciate you giving me your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me at the number below. Have a good day.